Welcome guys to another video today. Welcome to Amelicious Cooking. Well, today we're going to make a nice cheesy vegetable omelette. So I've got some spinach, which I'm going to use, leafy green. They're nice and they're good for you as well. We've got some tomatoes. Not everybody like cherry tomatoes, broccoli, and but it's good for you. We're going to just chop these up in fine or small pieces, just to make sure that they easily cook, right? Yeah, just take your time and chop up and don't make sure, that's just small bites, right? Then we've got our tomatoes. We chop up these as well, making sure that they're nice and small. Okay. Boy, these tomatoes are very, very sweet. And I bought everything here from the lovely supermarket that I've always been to, Aldi. Now we've got some red onion, finely chopped these, and 2 cloves of garlic and a nice piece of bell peppers. Right? A yellow bell pepper, just a piece, because we're only making 2 omelettes. So we don't need a lot. See, finely chopped. Well, we could have probably chopped them a little bit finer, but I've not mastered the knife skill so good yet. Look at that. So now we've got some vegan cheese here because I'm making 2 omelettes. One for my daughter, one for my son. My daughter only had vegan stuff, especially cheese. We get a non-dairy product. So this is our smoky vegan cheese. I've introduced that in the first part of the video. So I've just grated this cheese to use in the omelette as well. Yes. Nice and easy. It's kind of have a nice smoky flavor to it. So it's very nice and creamy. And that's how it look after I've grated it. Very nice. And then we've grated the cheddar cheese. So this is the big block of cheese that I've bought from Aldi as well. Yes. So this block of cheese is only £2.39 from Aldi. Really worth it. Very nice cheese. Very creamy as well. And there's the price. Yeah, if you want to go get it, run on down there. But we know cheese can be sometimes expensive. But this one melts as well. It's a really good cheese. There we have it. Mature cheddar cheese. You can put on your toast as well. So what I've done there, I've mixed the vegan cheese, that smoky flavor, with the cheddar. And this is just for my son because he likes cheese. I'm not a, lover of cheese. So now we use 3 eggs to do this omelette. So that's my first one there. Second egg. So guys, if you drop any eggshell, I'm a pro at doing this. Make sure you can just use the shell and scoop out the any bits that's left in it. It's really easy. So now we're gonna whisk. So we're not adding any milk. We're not having no milk in it. We're just gonna whisk and leave it like that. So I'm using coconut oil, and this is just for a little bit of flavoring because I like the taste of it. And it's really nice, using coconut oil. So I use coconut oil. You can use butter as well if you'd like. But I use a bit of coconut oil. So now we're going to saute the vegetables. And we just want to, moisten them up. Wilt them down just to make sure that it's easy to go on the egg. And then I just add a bit of salt to make sure that we get some of the moisture out of the vegetables. So I'm just going to saute these for about 5 minutes. Add a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, the bottle is almost empty. I don't even know what's in it. I'm emptying it. And it's already drained. But yeah, so here I'm just wilting down the vegetables. I've had my spinach. So we get it nice and wilted as well. And a little bit of butter. Because you want it to taste really nice. And it was. Oh my God, this combination was so good. You could have just had this alone. Didn't need to have any egg with it as well. To be honest, it was nice. Very nice. Just the vegetables. But yeah, steamed it down a little bit for a couple of seconds just to get the spinach nice and wilted, and that's how it looks after. See, look at the colors, nice and green still. So you know they're not overcooked or anything. So what I've done there now, I've just added a little bit more olive oil to the pot, and just to get my eggs going. You can also add butter if you'd like, but you know, I just use the oil. So here we're just trying to get it going. There we go. So I'm just gonna part it a little bit. Just to get all the eggs cooked properly in the middle. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add my cheese. So this is the 2 flavor cheese that I've mixed together, the cheddar and that vegan smoky cheese. So I'll just add them together just to get that nice taste and flavor as well. And then now I'm going to add all the vegetable in the middle. Oh, look at that. That does look beautiful. It looks like a pizza. It does, doesn't it? Look like a pizza. And extra cheese. Extra cheesy. You know what? You know this gonna be a keto meal. Yeah. This another idea for something. But yes, this is my nice cheesy omelette vegetable. So what I did there was just to add some more cheese on top, make it nice and cheesy. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. But guess what, guys? This omelette was way too big, and my pot is quite big. So I think the size of it, I couldn't flip it on the other side, but it was cooked. All of it was cooked right through. It was really good as well. So I just slide it onto the plate. See, couldn't even fit on the plate. Yes, but it was so delicious. Yeah, look at the size of it. Wow, that's so big. And that was like 3 eggs omelette. I should have cut it, but it wasn't mine. That one was for my son. But it was delicious and he loved it. Absolutely loved it. Look at that. Cheese melting on the outside, on the inside, and all the vegetables were nicely cooked and flavored. Delicious. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and follow for more meal ideas. Share the page, guys. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Okay? Bless.